Hey, this is Aaron with Simple6.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect an iPhone to a Star TSP100 Bluetooth printer. All right, let's dive in. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the box office app. I'm going to log in, and I'm going to get an alert that says, "Hey, do you want the box office app to access your Bluetooth?" Definitely choose OK. So I'm going to allow that. I've already given it access to my location. That's all required for the Square credit card reader. All right, so now that I've done that, let's go ahead and connect it to this printer right here. Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I will go over to my menu on the top right-hand corner, and I'll click it, and I'll click Settings. And now I will choose the option for the Star TSP100 Bluetooth printer. That is currently checked. And obviously, I'll make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your device as well, too. So basically, if you fan that up, you'll see it right there that Bluetooth is turned on. And the next step is actually to compare it. So turn the device on, of course. So turn the printer on, turning it on right now. While it's turning on, I will go over to Settings. I will go to Bluetooth, and I will choose the TSP100 right now. It's actually already connected, so it's fine. If it wasn't connected, like if you haven't connected it yet, you'd click to connect it. Perfect, all right. So now let's do a test print. So I'll choose Admit, I'll choose any event, and I will go over to my orders page, which is right over here, orders. I'll click here, and I will click the option right now to print. So I'll print out these tickets. I'll click print. So the very first page would be the order details on top, and the second page would be the QR code to tickets. All right, well, thanks for watching our video today on how to pair your iPhone, this is an iPhone SE, to a Star TSP100 Bluetooth printer.